I actually really love the saying that Delulu is the Delulu because the moment that my life started to change was when I believed it was possible. So I had no plan and no idea, and I really didn't know what I was going to do. I just started posting content daily on TikTok, and within months, I started getting opportunities that I literally never believed possible for me. And it's just crazy because when you start seeing those opportunities literally appear out of thin air, like the universe is bringing them to you, it starts to really change your perspective. And then you're like, wow, this is possible. And then you become more delusional. And then more opportunities appear. And then you're like, holy shit, like I could be a millionaire. And then eventually you get there. And it's like, whoa, did I really just do that all because I just believed it was possible? The universe brings opportunities to you constantly. You just need to be looking for them. If you're looking for problems, you will find them. If you're looking for solutions, you will find those. Everyone always uses the example about the yellow car, where you're not thinking about the yellow car, then the yellow car doesn't appear. But as soon as you start thinking about the yellow car, boom, every car is yellow. It's crazy the way that this happens. I obviously have just learned a lot of this through life experience and seeing that things do just kind of work out. And I've always been a bit delusional. And let me tell you how it's worked out in my favor because look where I live. I literally just said to myself one day, I want to leave Canada. I want to live somewhere tropical. I don't know where I'm going to go, but I'm going to go somewhere. And I ended up finding out this island through a friend. Oh my god, do you see that? Do you see the colors of the water? This is literally my morning walk with my dog. My dog absolutely loves the beach. She is so happy here. She would not be this happy in Canada. I would not be this happy in Canada. So if you just mix a little bit of delusion with a little bit of effort, you will see your life start to get better. So basically, if you want to manifest, all you need to do is have an idea of what you want to do, think that you can do that and put a little bit of action in. Not even a lot of action. I literally committed to one TikTok per day and my videos started getting better. I started getting more opportunities and it just kind of kept getting better from there. I started definitely looking at social media through a creator's eye rather than through a consumer's eye. And that really changed things for me. I think as humans, we all should be creating things and it's just for our best interest, good for our mental health to be a creator. The other day, I was feeling in a really big slump, and I decided, no, Michelle, you're getting up today. You're getting ready. You're going to film something. I got up, I filmed the video, I edited my video, and I posted my video. And let me tell you how I felt great after. And that little slump was over and done with. Just being a little bit creative and doing something that's working towards my goals and I'm passionate about, it's a game changer. And the one thing for me that I really focus on is just enjoying the journey. So many people say once they've reached success, they're like, oh, we just want more and it just never ends. So you need to enjoy this time. Don't burn yourself out. Do what you can at your pace, but just keep going. Just don't give up. Don't stop. Do as much as you can every single day. If some days it's absolutely nothing, then it's absolutely nothing. For me, I always have things in my drafts and TikTok. So if I don't feel like filming and editing and posting that day, I don't. But on days where I feel inspired, I batch content and I make sure I have something for those days that I need to post something and I'm just not in the mood. I really hope that this video helped you guys.
Thank you so much for watching my video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's so greatly appreciated.